starting off the day, as you can tell, it's still fairly early. We're gonna get some food, coffee, watch the golf, film some more. Cheers.
Having stopped for some much needed caffeine and sugar, we continued on with our very important day.
We need to wrap up the tune on the Golf, and we're gonna up the boost to see what it can push. So tune in and enjoy.
Yeah.
And we're gonna keep my fingers crossed that nothing's gonna blow up. Hey!
Are you happy?
Yeah, the lowest setting is yes, I am happy. Cheers. 220 is wow. Yes, so we had the second run, just adding more fuel. It was a bit too lean, and on the second run, the stock ECU fights us a little bit, but it did add a fuel lap top, which is exactly what we needed. And I think if everything's fine, we'll just compare that to the AFI's figures now. If everything's fine, we'll start just adding the boost. So, yeah. Yeah, the camera was off. So we're bypassing the stock boost controller because it's kind of fighting us. And we'll see what happens next, really. I know, you just have to keep rolling at all times.
Will she blow or will she make power?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, it works, isn't it?
And the Golf managed a healthy 265 horsepower at just over 1 bar of boost, most of which is available right from 2000 and a bit RPM. There is still plenty of headroom as we've left the timing pretty conservative and can add even more boost once we install a more sophisticated boost controller to safeguard the engine. After the dyno, we had one more trip to collect final bits for the Golf.
You want to say hi?
Hi, I'm Danny from VW Northwest.
And you built a lot of Volkswagens that are really cool. Yeah. And it also has a spare Mix-5. Also has a lot of Volkswagens.
Yeah.
And it's just, that's the moment when you insert the B-roll from the inside and Last bits for the golf.
Yeah.
At last. So, to be fair, it's the same episodes as we did at Dyno Day, which was like a year ago.
Don't say it, you'll have to cut it now.
Oh yeah, shh. It totally happened yesterday. Really nice to meet you.
Yeah, and you.
And, yeah, we'll see you around, but we do make
Yeah.
Volkswagen, so
Yeah, I'll
Cool. Awesome to meet you as well.
sure I'll come over and have a brew and have a.
Traction 404.
oh, it's going next to us already.